for the disclosure of details of the purchase and redemption of electoral bonds.
Tough questions and a straight directive from the Supreme Court to the State Bank of India. Furnish data on electoral bonds by Tuesday evening or face contempt of court. This after the State Bank of India approached the court for an extension, asking that it be allowed to disclose details by the 30th of June instead of now, as the Supreme Court had earlier ordered. The Supreme Court, in a landmark decision, had directed the State Bank of India to disclose the names of the donors to the Election Commission, which would make it public by 13th of March. That has now been postponed to the 15th. But this was opposed by the Association for Democratic Rights, the petitioner along with the CPIM, who had moved contempt of proceedings against the State Bank of India for not complying. In court, the judges hearing the matter asked tough questions of the State Bank of India. Chief Justice of India Chandrachud asked what the banks were doing for the past 26 days and remarked that a certain degree of candor was expected from the bank. Appearing for the State Bank of India, senior advocate Harish Salve said the banks had followed a certain standard operating procedure to store information about the electoral bond scheme because the bank was told this information was supposed to be secret. To this, Justice Sanjeev Khanna said, you have to just open the sealed cover, collate the details and give the information. The court also said this was a serious issue.
It's a very good, strong judgment in consonance with the earlier strong judgment that the court had given on electoral bonds.
The opposition used the latest Supreme Court order to hit out at the Modi government, alleging the BJP did not want this information in the public domain. Former Home Minister P. Chidambaram called the order a tight slap on the State Bank of India.
The entire country is wondering why is the BJP afraid of getting these details in public domain. These details have to be made public. People have a right to know which company paid which political party how much and what was the quid pro quo.
All eyes are now on the State Bank of India and the information that is made public. In New Delhi, Sunil Prabhu, NDTV.